Hello CompassWave friends. Today we are excited to introduce the addition of the pricing matrix to our custom fields options. Here you can add as many ranges as you need to create custom pricing strategies. Let's create a demo custom field using a cost matrix below. In our example, we'll ask how many bed sets need changing. If the answer is 1 to 2, we'll charge an extra $10. If it's 3 to 4 bed sets, we'll charge 20, and so on and so forth. Once you're done, hit Save Changes. Pricing via matrix adds another level of price and estimate calculation to the CompassWave software suite. If you have any questions, please reach out via the intercom chat bubble on the bottom right. Have a great day!